We saw before that it was fairly easy to digitize, and we digitized these 4 buildings, although I didn't do a very good job right here. And if I zoom in a little bit, you can see that perhaps I didn't do the most fantastic job ever of digitizing that particular building, and even some of the other ones. And this is one of the dangers of digitizing from too far away. I can always make this layer semi-transparent. In other words, you can sort of see through it a little bit, and that helps in being able to see some of the stuff underneath. And so right there you can start seeing the building outlines. So I made it 30% transparent. If I make it 50%, you can start seeing things a little bit better. But how do I fix this error right here? So I like to be able to edit this. So once again, I make sure that I have the layer selected. I toggle edit. And one of the tools that I need is actually hiding underneath here. And this is the node tool. So I click on here, and I can then move the corner to the right place. I can see where the right place should be, and then go and set the thing properly. And it looks like that would be about the right place for that one. And that looks a little bit better. So that's basically it. And once again, if I go and maneuver myself over here, and if I need to edit this one, I would do once again select the node tool option right here and just move it to the right place. And that house is looking more the way it should, and you can see the shadow there and everything, and so forth. So those are the kinds of things. And let's say that this house, let's fix the node location of this one. There we go. And for argument's sake, let's say that I wasn't sitting in the proper place. Oops, I digitized a new one. I meant to grab this other function right here, but this is good because you'll see how to delete in a second. So I'll do right there. I can use this tool right here, which is to move a feature. So I can click on the feature and then drag it to the right place. So I can decide, oh, I'm going to move my house over here, put it back over here. So as you can see, editing vectors gives you a lot of possibilities. And then we want to save the edits and get out of this option. So we say save, and we have made all the changes that we wanted. But wait, we ended up digitizing that incorrect object there. How do we get rid of that object? Fairly straightforward. We once again go into toggle edit mode, and there is an option right here to select features. So I select that, and I click this to select this feature right here. This is the one I want to delete. And then once again, hiding down here, there is the cut tool or the delete selector. So either one of these will do the job. Cut will allow me to paste it somewhere else if I put it in the wrong layer, but here we'll just delete it. And it will ask me, do I want to delete this one feature? Sure. And then once again, I press the toggle save, yes. And now that incorrectly digitized building is gone. So as you can see, it's just a matter of playing around with the menus, and all the options are there to do all sorts of digitizing.